There are two reasons for the growing popularity of online freelance jobs. It's about living on your own terms, gaining flexibility, and having the security of knowing you have complete control over your career path. Many businesses closed or downsized during the pandemic. The hospitality industry is just one example, and employees were forced to find alternative ways to work and live. There has also been a significant increase in the hiring of freelancers by businesses of all sizes and types. Solopreneurs and startups use freelancers to gain access to skills that they do not have in-house. Large corporations prefer to supplement their teams with freelancers because it saves them the time and resources required to recruit, hire, and train full-time employees. If you've been thinking about starting your own freelance business, you've come to the right place. We've compiled a list of the top 7 most in-demand and highest-paying freelance jobs currently available. You're already more than halfway there if you have some of these in-demand skills. Every business needs a website, and talented web designers are in high demand. Web designers work with companies and individuals to plan, design, and code websites for a variety of industry niches. If you have some experience with WordPress or Joomla, you can find plenty of work on freelance websites like Fiverr or Upwork. TopTal, on the other hand, is a good option if you have advanced skills. You must go through a fairly rigorous screening process to be listed on TopTal, but the pay is much higher, and the clients are typically high-profile. If you're just starting out and don't have a lot of experience, look into Udemy's online web design courses. There are classes for almost every skill level and interest, making it an excellent place to begin or advance your knowledge. Graphic design is a valuable and in-demand skill. It can be used for marketing, advertising, reports, catalogs, brochures, newsletters, business cards, websites, product packaging, outdoor signage, trade show booths, and other business applications. You must be familiar with Adobe Creative Suite, Photoshop and Illustrator, and basic concepts such as pre-press techniques. Many graphic designers have degrees or certificates, but many others learn by doing. However, being Adobe certified may make you more appealing to some clients. Sure, you'll need a good portfolio, but most prospective employers are more interested in your work than in your education. A strong portfolio, a diverse skill set, and a specialty or two will get you far. Every company needs an online presence. Keeping up with it, however, takes time, and not all organizations have an in-house marketing team to help them. If you're familiar with social media platforms, know how to write a compelling post, and enjoy seeing the fruits of your labor come to life in front of your eyes, a freelance job in social media marketing could be for you. Additional skills in this profession include ad production, analytics tracking, and direct connection with the brand's audience. You may be in charge of key performance indicators like engagement, conversions, and audience growth, or you could be more focused on content creation and work as part of a team. If you want to work as a freelance social media specialist, try putting together an online portfolio with some samples, and don't forget to add a summary of your accomplishments. After all, social media is all about statistics. There are countless opportunities to find freelance writing jobs on the internet. You'll never be short of freelance work if you're good, fast, and reliable, and this is especially true if you have expertise in areas such as technology, marketing, crypto, blockchain, or sales. Even if you lack specific skills, you can still make a go of it. You'll be fine as long as you're willing to learn and familiar with Google. The best thing about choosing writing as an online freelance job is that you don't need much to get started. You can create and deliver your work using Microsoft Word or G Suite from virtually any location, at home, on the road, or wherever the four winds take you. Technical or medical writing typically pays the highest, but you can also make a good living writing blogs or website copy. Are you exceptionally well organized, able to finish tasks quickly, and well versed in all types of productivity software? If this is the case, a freelance virtual assistant position could be ideal for you. Most virtual assistants are paid on an hourly basis, with earnings ranging from $15 to $25 per hour or more, depending on the client's needs and the specific expertise required. Tasks include email management, phone calls, data entry, bookkeeping, research, social media, content creation, making travel arrangements, and setting appointments. Virtual assistant jobs are an excellent way to get started in the world of freelancing. The more you can do, the more valuable your services are. However, this does not necessarily imply that you need a lot of experience to get started. You must be computer literate, responsive, accountable, and quick on your feet. The majority of people looking for virtual assistants have specific projects that they need to complete but don't have the time to do. If you're quick and capable, you'll be more valuable to them. The best virtual assistants can jump in quickly and accomplish a lot in a short amount of time. Content reigns supreme, particularly in our media-obsessed age. Blogs, white papers, brochures, newsletters, magazines, films, infographics, social media postings, email campaigns, and other forms of digital content are all examples. However, not every organization has the time to create all of the materials needed. As a freelance content creator, you'll work with businesses to generate various types of content focusing on products, services, or people that they can use online. Companies that want to hire freelance content creators are looking for creative individuals who can bring their brand and message to life. You must be able to work both independently and collaboratively, and have experience with platforms such as YouTube, live streaming, and professional editing programs. There are literally thousands of online teaching jobs available, regardless of whether you have a teaching degree or credentials. Right now, there is a severe teacher shortage all over the world, so you should have no trouble finding work. Even if you do not have a teaching degree, you have many options. English as a second language or ESL teachers are in high demand, and you don't need much experience. In many cases, the only requirement is a solid command of the English language and some experience with online technology. Consider online tutoring if you are an expert in math, science, history, or any other school-related subject. Working as an online tutor usually does not require any specific certifications, but if you will be working with children, you may be required to go through a vetting process.
Please like, share, and hit the subscribe button. Then click the notification bell. See you on the next video. Thank you for watching.